Yeah, I don't know who the fuck that is. Hair's all different.
Oh, her eyes.
What?
I know, Violet has like googly eyes.
No, you should see them when the flash hits them.
If she talks, she gets mad. Violet gets mad. Violet like, hey, what's the don't push at me. What are you saying?
Sorry.
Look. Look at her hand. Going up.
Yeah.
Violet.
Violet.
Come here, baby.